Myoti Cares presents.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I am back, and I now have my uh, baby son. I had a boy. So it's been a while since I've been on here. So I have a really cool OT hack that I wanted to share with you guys. It's called Elastic Lace 2.0. So it is a nice substitution for elastic laces when you do not have it in your facility. You can still train your patients on how to use it, and then they can make the decision if they want to purchase it or not. So here we go. Enjoy. All right, guys, so let's get started. I'm just going to open this up here so you can see some pictures that I took at work. So I'm going to call it Elastic Lace 2.0. All right, so here we go. So what you're going to need to do this, you're going to need scissors, tape, and you're going to need this nice red TheraBand. All right, this is the material you're going to use to create a elastic laces. Yep, so this TheraBand scissors, and what you're going to do is you are going to wrap it with the tape. So you're going to cut a very thin strip, as you can see that I did here, and you're going to wrap. You're going to keep wrapping, and as you can see, I wrap there all the way down. Here's a little bit of close-up. I also made sure to do a wrapping at the ends of it. As you can see here, you can either wrap it like I did, or you can simply just cut a really thin piece and then just wrap the end. I think it works better when you do the wrapping like I did, just to give it some kind of structure so it's not completely, you know, loose per se. So this is the final product here. This is one of my patients, and we was able to put the elastic lace on, and he was able to slide his foot in and out, no problem. We was able to knot the end right here. You can set up in a way where you don't need to knot it, but this kind of just gives the idea of elastic laces, and you know, you have options of different colors too to kind of make it a little bit more appealing to the eye, but he didn't care. He just wanted to be able to put on his shoes himself, and this is what I came up with. So I hope you guys love this. Please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Have a good one. Elastic 2.0.